question number 2 solved, and the question is about division. The first value and bigger value is called dividend, 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 and the smaller value and the second value is called divisor. The bigger value is called dividend, we need to divide, and smaller value is called divisor, dividend and divisor. Now how to write? First of all, you need to write your question again with the equality sign. Then draw the heart in the center of the page. Write your dividend. Dividend is always inside the heart. Write your numbers with some gap. Then write the divisor outside the heart. Take your first value of dividend. 11, 1 time 11 is not possible because 3 minus 11 is not possible. That's why 11 0 times 0 minus 3 minus 0, 3. Times tables are started from 0, but we can't write because any number multiplied by 0 answer is always 0. That's why 11 0 times 0. Now write down the next number 3. Arrow with pencil and scale. Now it is 33. 11 3 times 33. I am using this number, so write the answer on upper side of this number. Then I am using this number, so write the answer above this number. Now 3 minus 3, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. Write down the next number, 4. Now 11, 1 time 11 is not possible. So 11, 0 times 0. 4 minus 0, 4. Write down next number, 5. Now we have 45. 11, 5 times 55 is not possible. 11, 4 times 44 is the nearest one and the smallest one. Now 5 minus 4, 1, and 4 minus 4, 0. Now the answer, this is the answer. Answer is called quotient, Q for quotient, and this is called remainder. Bigger value is called dividend, smaller value is called divisor. Answer is called quotient and the remaining value is called remainder. Write your question again. Equals 30304. It means the answer of this question is 304 with the remainder 1. Draw the ending line. Now I am solving the next question. Next question is 6216 divided by 111. Write your question again with the equality sign. Draw the heart. The bigger value is called dividend. Dividend is always inside the heart, and write your values between with the some gap. Write your divisor outside the heart. Take your first value. 111 times 1 is 111 is not possible. So first value is not possible. So 0. 111 0 times 0. 6 minus 0, 6. Write down next value. 62. Again smaller. 62 minus 111 is not possible. So again 0 times 0. 2 minus 0, 2. 6 minus 0, 6. Write down next number and next value. Now 621. 111 5 times 555. 111 6 times 666. So the smallest and the nearest one is 111 5 times 555. 1 minus 5 is not possible. Borrow from this. 11 minus 5, 6. 1 minus 5 again not possible. Borrow from this. 11 minus 5, 6. And 5 minus 5, 0. Write down your last value, 6. Now 111 6 times 666. Now 6 minus 6 0, 6 minus 6 0, 6 minus 6 0. You can put 0, you can put cross. Now 6216 divided by 111, the answer will be 56. The answer is called quotient and there is no remainder. Draw the ending line. Thank you.